Imagine waking up to calm skies, only to find within hours the clouds have thickened, winds have shifted, and an eerie silence hangs in the air. Because that's often how it starts, the deceptive calm before something powerful brews off the Atlantic coast. Tropical Depression Chantal didn't explode overnight. It was born quietly in warm waters where clusters of thunderstorms began churning together, spinning faster, feeding off the heat, and developing a circulation center so subtle it almost escaped notice. But as meteorologists tracked it more closely, they noticed its structure tightening, its pressure dropping, and winds growing stronger, early signs that something serious was brewing. Chantal's trajectory is no ordinary one. Although currently classified as a tropical depression, it carries the potential to intensify depending on sea surface temperatures and upper-level wind patterns. While the center of this system remains offshore, its outer bands are already being felt, bringing unexpected rain surges, gusty winds, and choppy coastal waves to parts of the southeastern United States. The scary part? These systems can rapidly evolve, and what appears to be a weak depression today might transform into a tropical storm or even a hurricane tomorrow, catching thousands off guard. Coastal cities are on watch, and emergency services are quietly gearing up, not sounding alarm bells yet, but not ignoring the risk either. And even if Chantal never strengthens into a full-fledged storm, the rainfall alone could overwhelm drainage systems, flood roadways, and cause serious travel disruptions. Flash floods, power outages, and fallen trees are common side effects of systems like these, and history shows us that underestimating them can cost lives. Think about Hurricane Barry or Imelda, small in classification, but huge in consequences. Now, Chantal's name is being added to that list of storms to watch, not because it's loud and furious yet, but because it's sneaky, building strength quietly while most people go about their normal lives. And that's why staying informed right now is more important than ever. Imagine being one of the few who saw this coming and took simple steps like securing outdoor furniture, topping off gas tanks, and prepping a 3-day emergency kit. Those people are always a step ahead when things go wrong. And let's be honest, the storm isn't just about wind speed or rainfall inches. It's about how ready you are when things change suddenly. Meteorologists are carefully monitoring wind shear levels and atmospheric pressure zones over the Atlantic, watching weather conditions allow Chantal to strengthen or break apart. But here's what you can't afford to miss. While scientists crunch models and issue forecasts, it's your awareness and reaction that make the real difference. So ask yourself, are you paying attention now? Or will you wait until local alerts start blaring on your phone? Because when that happens, you'll wish you'd watched this entire video, absorbed every detail, and understood the unpredictable nature of tropical depressions like Chantal. You'll know how even a seemingly weak system can dump enough rain to close schools, delay flights, and put your neighborhood on high alert. And while major hurricanes grab headlines, it's these smaller storms that often slip through the cracks, quietly flooding basements, toppling trees, and disrupting lives without ever earning a name in the record books. That's why you can't afford to treat Chantal as just another weather headline. You have to view it as a lesson in preparation, timing, and survival. It's not hype. It's the reality of living near coastlines where nature writes its own rules and expects us to keep up. Every image, every forecast map, and every satellite view you've seen flashes a warning that deserves more than just a passing glance. This storm has already proven one thing. Even when skies look calm, there's often something stirring beneath the surface, and by the time you realize it, the rain has already started. Don't wait. Don't ignore it, because storms like Chantal don't knock on the door before they enter. They just arrive.